You open your fridge and wonder what to cook. Staring at a fridge full of random ingredients can be overwhelming and often leads to more takeout or unhealthy choices. Meal planning is here to help. By taking a little time each week to plan your meals, you can transform your eating habits and simplify your life. It's the secret weapon for eating well without breaking the bank. Imagine knowing exactly what you need to buy and having a clear plan for your meals. Planning your meals in advance saves money and reduces stress. No more last-minute decisions or expensive takeout orders. No more last-minute grocery runs or wondering what's for dinner. With a meal plan, you can streamline your shopping trips and make sure you have everything you need. With a plan, you know exactly what to buy and when to cook it. This not only saves time but also ensures you're eating balanced, nutritious meals. This means less food waste too. When you plan your meals, you use up what you buy, reducing the amount of food that goes bad and ends up in the bin. We've all been there. That sad, wilted lettuce in the crisper drawer. It's a sign of good intentions gone awry, but meal planning can help you avoid this common pitfall. Meal planning helps you use what you buy before it goes bad. By organizing your meals, you can ensure that every ingredient has a purpose and gets used. Ready to take control of your grocery budget and eat delicious food? Meal planning is the key to making this happen. Let's dive into the world of budget-friendly meal planning. With a little effort and organization, you can enjoy tasty, healthy meals without the stress or expense. Creating a weekly meal plan is easier than you think. Grab a pen and paper or open your favorite note-taking app. Start by checking your schedule. Are there any late meetings or evening activities? Plan for quicker meals on busy days. Next, browse your favorite cookbooks or websites for inspiration. Choose recipes that are budget-friendly and use ingredients you already have. Don't forget about leftovers. Plan to use leftovers for lunch or another dinner. Once you have your recipes, create a grocery list. Organize your list by grocery store sections to make shopping easier. With your plan and list ready, you're prepared for a week of delicious, affordable meals. Grocery shopping doesn't have to break the bank. With a little planning and these savvy tips, you can stretch your food budget further. First, never shop hungry. Shopping on an empty stomach leads to impulse purchases. Compare prices and look for sales. Don't be afraid to try store-brand items. They're often just as good as name brands, but cost less. Check the unit price to see which size or brand is the best value. Consider shopping online to avoid impulse buys. Many stores offer online ordering and home delivery, saving you time and money. Buying in bulk is a fantastic way to save money on groceries, especially staples. Think rice, beans, lentils, oats, and nuts. These items have a long shelf life and can be used in countless recipes. Frozen fruits and vegetables are also great for bulk buying. They're already washed and chopped, saving you time and effort. Plus, they last for months in the freezer. Before you fill your trolley, check the price per unit. Make sure the bulk price is actually lower than buying smaller quantities. Store bulk items properly to prevent spoilage. Airtight containers are your best bet for keeping pantry staples fresh. Seasonal sensations, your wallet and taste buds will thank you. Eating seasonally is not only delicious but also budget-friendly. Fruits and vegetables are at their peak flavor and most affordable when they're in season. Visit your local farmer's market for the freshest produce. Not sure what's in season? Ask a vendor at the market or do a quick online search. Get creative in the kitchen and try new recipes that feature seasonal ingredients. Your taste buds and your wallet will thank you. Batch cooking bonanza. Cook once, eat all week. Batch cooking is a game changer for busy weeknights. Imagine coming home after a long, exhausting day and not having to worry about what to cook for dinner. Instead, you can simply open your fridge or freezer and have a delicious home-cooked meal ready to go. It's a lifesaver for those who have hectic schedules and want to maintain a healthy diet without the stress of daily cooking. Dedicate a few hours one day a week to cook a large batch of food. This might seem like a lot of work up front, but the payoff is huge. By investing a little time on the weekend or your day off, you can save countless hours during the week. Plus, it allows you to experiment with new recipes and cooking techniques, making the process enjoyable and rewarding. This can be anything from soup or stew to roasted vegetables or grains. The key is to choose versatile dishes that can be easily reheated and enjoyed throughout the week. Soups and stews are particularly great because they often taste even better the next day as the flavors meld together. Roasted vegetables can be paired with different proteins or grains to create a variety of meals. Portion your cooked food into individual containers and store in the fridge or freezer. This step is crucial for maintaining freshness and ensuring that your meals are ready to grab and go. Labeling the containers with the date and contents can help you keep track of what you have and when it needs to be eaten. This way, you can avoid the dreaded question of what's for dinner and instead enjoy a stress-free mealtime. Having meals ready to go makes healthy eating a breeze. When you're hungry and tired, it's easy to reach for unhealthy options or order takeout. But with batch cooking, you have nutritious meals at your fingertips. This not only supports your health goals, but also saves you money that you might otherwise spend on dining out. No more excuses for ordering takeout after a long day. With a little planning and preparation, you can enjoy home-cooked meals every night of the week. It's a simple yet effective way to take control of your diet and ensure that you're eating well, even when life gets busy. Batch cooking also helps reduce food waste. By planning your meals and cooking in bulk, you can use up ingredients before they go bad. This not only saves you money but also benefits the environment by reducing the amount of food that ends up in the landfill. Plus, you can get creative with leftovers and turn them into new dishes, further minimizing waste. You're more likely to use up ingredients when you cook them in bulk. Instead of letting that bunch of kale wilt in the back of your fridge, you can incorporate it into a big batch of soup or a hearty casserole. This way you're making the most of your groceries and ensuring that nothing goes to waste. Plus, it saves you time and energy during the week. Instead of spending time each night cooking and cleaning up, you can relax and enjoy your evenings. Whether you use that extra time to unwind, spend with family, or pursue a hobby, batch cooking gives you the freedom to make the most of your week. Delicious and easy recipes to get you started. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, these recipes are designed to be easy to follow and packed with nutritious ingredients. Ready to put your meal planning skills into action? Let's dive into some recipes that will not only save you time, but also keep you excited about your meals. Meal planning doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a fun and creative process that allows you to experiment with different flavors and ingredients. Here are a few easy and nutritious recipes to get you started. These recipes are designed to be flexible, so feel free to swap out ingredients based on what you have on hand or your personal preferences. The key is to keep things simple and enjoyable. Black bean and sweet potato burrito bowls. These flavorful bowls are packed with protein and fiber. They are perfect for a quick lunch or dinner and can be easily customized to suit your taste. The combination of black beans and sweet potatoes provides a satisfying and nutritious meal. Simply roast sweet potatoes and black beans with your favorite spices. You can use spices like cumin, paprika, and garlic powder to add a burst of flavor. Roasting the vegetables brings out their natural sweetness and makes them tender and delicious. Serve over rice with your favorite toppings like salsa, avocado, and cilantro. You can also add a squeeze of lime juice for some extra zest. This dish is not only tasty but also visually appealing, making it a great option for meal prep. Lentil soup. This hearty soup is a budget-friendly classic. It's perfect for those chilly days when you need something warm and comforting. Lentils are a great source of protein and fiber, making this soup both filling and nutritious. Sauté onions, carrots, and celery, then add lentils, broth, and your favorite spices. You can use spices like thyme, bay leaves, and a pinch of chili flakes for some heat. The combination of vegetables and lentils creates a rich and flavorful broth. Simmer until the lentils are tender, then enjoy. This soup can be made in large batches and stored in the fridge or freezer for easy meals throughout the week. It's a versatile recipe that can be adapted with different vegetables and spices. Chicken and veggie sheet pan meal. This easy recipe is perfect for batch cooking. It's a one-pan meal that requires minimal cleanup and can be customized with your favorite vegetables. The combination of chicken and veggies makes for a balanced and nutritious meal. Toss chicken breasts and chopped vegetables with olive oil and seasonings. You can use a mix of vegetables like bell peppers, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes. Season with herbs like rosemary, thyme, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper for a delicious flavor. Roast in the oven until cooked through. This meal is perfect for busy weeknights when you want something quick and healthy. The roasted chicken and vegetables can be served as is or paired with a side of quinoa or brown rice for a complete meal. Waste not, want not, clever ways to use leftovers. Don't let leftovers go to waste. Transform them into delicious new meals. Leftover roasted chicken can be used for sandwiches, salads, or soups. Turn leftover rice into fried rice or use it to bulk up a stir-fry. Wilting vegetables can be added to soups, stews, or frittatas. Get creative and experiment with different flavor combinations. You'll be surprised at what you can create with a little ingenuity. Remember, reducing food waste saves money and helps the environment. It's a win-win. Ready, set, plan. Meal planning is a powerful tool for eating well on a budget. It takes a bit of planning and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. You'll save money, reduce stress, and enjoy delicious home-cooked meals. Start small and gradually incorporate meal planning into your routine. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Ready to take your meal planning to the next level? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips, recipes, and inspiration. Thank you for watching.